Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Please don't forget to subscribe to High Academics channel. God bless you. Today's topic we are going to consider what is fundamental quantity. What is fundamental quantities? Let's take the definition now. Fundamental quantities are quantities that are independent of others, and it cannot be defined in terms of other quantities or derived from them. They are basic quantities upon which most quantities depend, but not all. We have 7 fundamental quantities in physics. Study them carefully, or you can pause the video to study them accordingly. Thank you very much. See you in the next lesson.